G'day guys, Matt here with a 60-second guide on how to change the ignition switch on your CT98 Lancer Evo. Might even help if you've got a different model Evo or Lancer as well. It's a pretty common problem. Mitsubishi redesigned the part completely after many failures. Pop off the 3 screws on the bottom of the steering shroud. Attack the 2 screws at the bottom of the kick panel. You don't need to take the panel off, just lower it so you can get to this screw here and remove these 2 connectors. The bottom connector is stuck onto the old switch. It does require a bit of love to get it off. If you're going to be rough with the switch and keep the connectors in as best condition as possible. Once you've reconnected everything and screwed it into place, give it a test fire before you put the shroud on. Make sure that you don't have to do the job twice. Boom, that's it. Well done. Got a car that starts.